everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see steps to unfavorite reports in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, navigate to any voucher page. Here, in the invoice page, some of the reports has been added to favorites. To unfavorite the reports, go to the home page. Here, click the user profile. Now, click the Edit Profile option. On this Edit Your Profile window, go to the Report Bookmark list. Here, unfavorite the required report and click Save Changes. Now go to the voucher page. Here, the report has been removed from the favorite list. These are the steps to unfavorite reports in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.